Let me introduce some of the roles of open movement in the information professions. First, open data is a key player in advancing academic communication and scientific research. Digital scholarship communication includes not only the process of publishing papers in print and digital publications, but also the communication activities using digital media, such as posting ideas and opinions on personal or group blogs and discussion groups, editing wiki entries, and submitting data or scholarly communication products to storage or social networking sites. The most important feature of this new mode of scholarly communication is that it is data-driven, which places higher demands on the management, retrieval, and dissemination of research results. So, open data is highly expected by the research community. Professor Peter Murray Rust of the University of Cambridge used a chemistry experiment as an example of the need for open data for scientific research and presented 8 arguments in favor of open data, which were adopted by Wikipedia. Such as data belongs to all of humanity, data support is needed for the proper functioning of human public activities, and so on. The next role is to achieve data cyberspace interoperability and eliminate information island. Information island refers to the problem of poor data sharing, difficult information integration, low system efficiency, and the inability to truly realize informatization in the process of social informatization due to poor correlation between information systems and software system databases, and difficulties in interconnection, interoperability. Information islands are a complex phenomenon which broadly includes network data isolation caused by different resource formats, computer technology standards, programming languages, and non-uniform data exchange protocols, etc. It has hindered the development of the Internet and the effective organization of network information to a certain extent. Currently, linked data is a new type of open data service. It can create chains between data from different sources which may not be geographically located or belong to the same database, but they can be linked so that information can be more easily managed and retrieved. Open data also plays a very important role in the work of government. It breaks down the old system of government and enhances transparency. The purpose of the Access to Information Act, which has been enforced since 1983, is to expand Canada's existing laws to provide access to information under the control of government agencies, based on the principle that government information should be publicly available. In addition, each province and territory has its own access to information and freedom of information laws. When the open government data movement emerged, local governments at all levels in Canada were at the forefront, with the City of Ottawa, the City of Toronto, and the City of Vancouver embracing the philosophy of openness and establishing dedicated open data portals. In 2010, the Canadian federal government put the push for open data on its agenda and accelerated the pace of action, creating a national open data website to promote public access to government data. These are just a few of the main roles of open data. Thank you for listening.